Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use a particular effect called the turning metal and melting effect, which is similar to what we have here, where the subject turns into metal and melts at the same time. So we can see samples here. So if you want to create this, make this type of effect for your video, this is the perfect video for you. So all you have to do is to go to this website here, higgsfield.ai. So once you sign up, which is free, or log in, click on the visual effects section, scroll down and choose the turning metal plus melting effect here. Once you click on it, you will be brought to a page like this where you can actually upload your picture. Click on generate here, and now I will have you know that it is not a video that's generated into this, is a single picture. So you just have to take the picture of what you want to have this particular effect. So once you've taken a picture, all you have to do is to generate, is to actually upload the picture here. This is an AI image already, so let me delete it. So once you upload your picture, you can also regulate the intensity you want for each of them, the percentage. Now this is 85%, which means turning to metal will take 85% of the time, and then melting will take 60% of the time. So, and two of them would occur simultaneously. So all you have to do is to upload your image here and scroll and click on generate. So once you click on generate, in the next few minutes your video would be ready. It's usually 4 or 5 seconds long, and that's it. Once you're done, you can click on, you can either bookmark it or save it here, or you download it directly to your system and use it for your purpose. So but that's how to use the turning metal and melting effect on Higgsfield AI. Let me know what you guys think about the video, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and